Hello everyone. Here's something for you all. Please lend your ears. Good deeds bring us immense joy. Richelle E. Godrich had once said, "Every sunrise is an invitation for us to arise and brighten someone's day." What a beautiful thought. Doing good to others doesn't cost us anything. It in fact brings a kind of solace and satisfaction to our minds, which are otherwise over functioning in today's fast paced world. Doing good to others doesn't always mean we help others financially or give them materialistic things. It's not all about money. We can also give our time, ideas, and energy to help someone. By making things simpler for someone, or by just explaining or counseling someone who is going through any type of crisis, is also called doing good. For example, if someone's child, a youngster, goes astray and you just spend time counseling him or her, trying to show them the correct path, is also a good deed. Even if you plant a tree, donate blood, pick up trash from the sidewalk, conserve energy, turning off the lights when not in use, taking food to a new neighbor, adopting a shelter animal are all examples of good deeds. Doing good deeds can bring untold amount of happiness both for the recipient and the benefactor. We get good vibes by acting positively and helping others. Doing good and helping others can have an enormous impact on our sense of self esteem and self worth. If you do good deeds, you don't have to broadcast it to the whole world. You have to forget the good you have done. Once I read somewhere that millions of trees in the world are accidentally planted by the squirrels who bury nuts, then forget where they hid them. Do good and forget, it will grow someday. Whether or not you believe in karma, but the truth is that whatever you put out into the world, you are bound to get it back. You reap what you sow. Always do good to others, and it will sooner or later come back to you one day. For sure, because there is a divine power which governs the whole world. To me, this is the Almighty God who always rewards us for our good deeds. There are endless ways you can do good deeds. You just have to have a good intention, just by saying something nice to someone, using good manners, or donating clothes you don't need, and so on. According to a happiness expert, people who do good deeds radiate pro social behavior. This means that their kindness propagates across the social network, which motivates them to carry on their positive actions and improves the quality of their social interactions. Nothing negative comes from doing good deeds. It's mutually beneficial and can have significant and unexpected results. So, why not try finding fulfillment in helping others? Start today your good deeds mission. There is no time like the present, and make this world a better place to live in. So, be kind and be happy, everyone.